Okay, rosto, halloumi. Okay, I got my sandwich. I got a sandwich from Zorpas sandwich, and this is sandwich with halloumi cheese and roasted pork and halloumi cheese. This one, and I will start eating it soon. What I wanted to say, how to be safe on the internet. This is a vlog about how to be safe on the internet, and especially for me, because there are, I mean, I would like to share as much information as possible with you about what I do and everything, but at the same time, for every one person who has good intentions, there might be 5 who have bad intentions, or I mean, who knows what's there. And you should really share information about yourself on the internet, including Facebook, YouTube, like here, TikTok, Instagram, all these things. There might be some things you share about places where you go and where you are now, especially real-time location. It might be a big problem even making criminals know where you are. For example, if you're not at home, if you're on a holiday, you're not at home, someone who has very bad intentions, like burglars, criminals trying to break into your apartment, they might see you're away and they will go and steal your stuff, if you have any. I don't have anything valuable, so if you want to steal my stuff, maybe it would be good. Actually, I have a really old TV, so if you want to steal my TV, maybe this is the time for you. This is not an invitation. Don't come and steal my TV, please. But still, it wouldn't be bad to get a new TV, make a review about it, some unboxing. 4K HDR TV would be nice. I have a TV from 2010. I have a TV from 2010, so it's about time to change it. Maybe no. Anyway, I digest. If you know the joke, you know it. And well, I say anyway, I digest. What I was talking about is safety on the internet, and there are many ways you can. Okay, a bit in the shadow. It's a quiet spot here next to a tree. Is it recording? There are many ways you can actually reduce your safety. So many trucks passing by. There are many ways to reduce your safety, and you wouldn't even know that what you're doing. First and foremost, if people know where you live, or they know your phone, or your family phones, or the names. For example, now with the AI revolution and the deep fakes, you can have someone who looks like me, talks like me, quacks like me, not the duck, but my back. Look how such a nice tree there. It's really amazing. Weather is really nice today. Okay, so the safety on the internet is really a big problem, and more of a big problem now. People who can not only pretend to be you, but they will look like you, they will sound like you when they call your relatives. There's an old scam when someone calls one of your family members pretending to be somewhere in an emergency situation, and they ask for money. It's not them, but They used to do this even when they didn't have deep fakes. Imagine now how much they will do it. So really, I believe you should have some way of knowing that the person who you're talking to is really the one they say they are. And there are a few ways to figure this thing out. I'm not gonna mention them because if you say it, it's really not a secret anymore. But you should have some way of knowing that the person you're talking to on the phone or in a video call is really the person who they say they are, even if they look like your family member or they sound like a family member. The AI can pretend to be you, but it will not know what you know, the private information, and that's where this part comes. It's important that you don't put things that are really... This is where the part comes. This is where the part comes where you don't put the things that only you know on the internet, including Facebook and anywhere. So names or nicknames, especially if you have nicknames. Okay, let's walk a bit. I'm getting hungry. My sandwich. If you have nicknames you call each other, or funny names, funny things you talk about, this should be always private. Those things should be always private because you don't know who is watching. Like now, this video. In this video, hopefully I will not give away too much information about me. In general, I try to mask anything that is in the videos. It's not about the background things that you see. Some things I might miss, hopefully not too many. And the idea is to show you how to fix your things, not to show details about myself. One internet troll can turn into some, how to say it, angry fan or something, like someone who follows you just to hate. But okay, I mean, if you don't like what I do, I don't mind it if you watch it. You can watch all the videos and hate them so much, really. But maybe by watching them, you might actually find something useful. I don't know. Many people are normal people. Anyway, the video was about the phone. Phone works. I'm using it now to make this video. So it's taking too long already. I'll get to eat my sandwich and maybe I can do it while walking. This guy might show, you might watch this video now and this bite is for you. Yeah. So when you go to Facebook, you share only with your friends, not publicly like I do. But at some point I realized it's better to share everything publicly, because then when you share everything to the public, you know the public sees it, so you're a bit more reserved to what to share. If you put it on Facebook or Instagram, no, mostly Facebook, to your friends, you think it's private, or even Instagram, but anyone can take a screenshot of your post or your picture, save your picture, and put it on the internet public somewhere else. It's not nice, but it could happen anytime. So be careful what you share. And thanks for watching. Hope everyone has a good day. The less troubles, the better. It's not worth it to get worked up and angry for small things. I mean, someone who has a lot of free time, you don't know how crazy someone is. So this is why I'm saying better limit the things shared. Even this video now, I show you walking around here. You might know where I am, but this is the risk I take for this. So if you are subscribed to this channel and you know me, you see me on the street, I don't know, say hello. It would be really interesting to have someone just be like, hey, this is that guy. Oh, it's close here. This is that guy, I can't stand him, but I watch his videos. No, I'm joking. Hopefully this wind is not picked up by, I have the microphone here. Yeah, if you see me on the street, just say hi. If you watch any of the videos, it would be really interesting to see someone who's happy about them in the real life and not hello, yeah. Someone who is happy about them in real life and not like virtual, because we're all virtual on the internet, but people are real. You watch this video, you are real, I'm real. I'm not a fake, not computer generated yet. So, thanks for watching. I'll finish my sandwich and post this so you can watch it now. Almost. Bye. Okay. I don't know how this turned out, but this is my sandwich here. It was really, there's so much noise here, but it was really nice and free because of the points from the bank. No, they didn't give it to me for free. It's not sponsored. I was just walking by and I had to eat something before I fall to be able to make the video for you. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, it's here. Look here, nice fountain and stadium. Weather is really amazing now, end of March almost, and it's like summer almost already. It's summer, it feels like summer. And this is the Adidas outlet. Always found some expensive things, but I found a few decently priced things here. Okay, I'll eat my sandwich and check the outlet. Oh, there's a garbage truck. Okay. It's interesting statue. Bye. Okay, I ate my sandwich and it was delicious. Went in the Adidas outlet. Nothing interesting there. As usual. Some interesting shoes maybe, but it's okay. Sometimes they might have a few like lower prices. I did like this with the fan. Lower prices, but usually the models in the outlet, they're actually the ones who nobody buys, I think. So I'm not sure. You write a comment in the comment section below if you found anything in the outlet that was good. Only one pair of shoes I bought once that was good. A few pairs of shoes and clothes, they were a bit strange. If you have a bad day, forget it, let it go. Now really I feel better actually, just by making this video. Look, there's a huge, oh no, it was zoomed in. Okay, so now this is what happens, the video was zoomed in, so all you probably saw was my teeth really close up, but I'm gonna leave the video anyway. Huge building. And better to have a smooth day. You all have a good day today and tomorrow. Probably all you could see was my teeth really close up, but I'm gonna leave it like this anyway. That's all.